before healthy basements, the crawl space was a swamp. It was, I mean, literally a swamp down there. Mud patches and bugs. And we found you through a friend of ours. Well, actually, I work with him. And I called you, and like 2 days later, we had the contract signed. The job that was done was really difficult because the day they came, we had a hurricane. And we had 2 pumps at the time in the basement. And they took them out, and the basement started to flood. So they came in, they dug an emergency hole and stuck a big pump. Evacuated all the water, came back the next day, and it took like 3 days to finish a 1.5 day job because of the weather. But they did it. They ripped everything out and got all that water out of there. I was very surprised. I thought we were going to float away. It was way before Sandy. It was like 2004, 2003, somewhere in there, 2005. But it was bad. When they took those pumps out, the water level rose probably 2 inches every 30 minutes. And when they started panicking, that's when I started panicking. It was bad. And but like I said, they had a pump probably about as big as that dog crate. They dug a hole real quick, put it in, and the neighbors weren't too happy, but it worked. Yeah, everybody's pretty good. You know, the technicians that come are very, very good, polite, top-notch. Mm-hmm. They know exactly what you're talking about. They fix everything right away. They're very, very good. Yeah, I have. I'm a mailman out in Patchogue, and I've recommended them to a couple people. I don't know if they've used them, but I know I've recommended them. No, during Sandy, actually, the water in the street was 3 feet. It came up to about 3 feet from my front door. And because of the pump, we lost power, but the pump had 24 backup. Mm-hmm. And we are the only, he has a slab, they have a slab. We're the only house in probably 300 yards that has a crawl space. And we didn't flood.
Awesome.
The slabs flooded, but we didn't flood. So, and we left, but the neighbor said that pump was probably going off 24 hours every day. So it lasted. I mean, if it wasn't for that, we would have been flooded down there.